Assalamu alaikum participants. We will just wait 5 more minutes until everyone else can join.
आदिया की 12:30 बजे मेरी अभी ऊपर वाली आपके मोबाइल में लगेगी।
Assalamu alaikum all. I am Eshaal Mustafa, your workshop instructor. I have already introduced myself in workshop WhatsApp group in which my Facebook profile was also given. And also in the WhatsApp group, you can also find my LinkedIn profile link. So feel free to connect me on LinkedIn and follow me and UTech on Facebook. So, as you all are well aware that I am junior brand ambassador, junior workshop instructor, and also a student in UTech, a digital learning platform available with different tech courses on site and online. So now let's start. If you have any questions during the workshop, you can write it down on a piece of paper and ask at the time of Q&A session. So now let's start. Kindly all mute your mics. Okay, so this is the table of contents we will be learning today. The first one we have is Introduction to UTech Vision, where you will get to know about what is UTech and what it is all about. And then second one is all about chatbot, introduction to chatbot and its different types. Then the third one is hands-on experience, where you will be experiencing how to build a basic chatbot. And the fourth and the lastly one is some useful resources and site links. So now let's move on. Okay, so now let's take a first look at UTech Vision. So I first started learning from UTech in the year 2021. I have learned Python with data science, robotronics, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and now I am learning Flutter app development. I have learned a lot from this platform, which has gotten unique plan features for kids you cannot find anywhere. It's now like my family. A kid would be able to learn technology skill sets along with his or her academics smoothly in UTech. I am 11 years old and I study in grade 6 of Foundation Public School. And still, my studies and tech skills are going smoothly in parallel with UTech. So just don't wait for summer or winter breaks. Join UTech now, where kids like me train other kids by free demo workshops as junior brand ambassadors. The details of which you can find on Facebook page of UTech and group. So now let's move on. My voice is not clear. Wait a second.
ये क्या है pedestrian crossing चलता है 109.
Okay, so now can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so this is our second subtopic, which is all about chatbot. So now let's move towards introduction to chatbots. So, general question: has anyone got any idea what are chatbots, where they are used, and what their work is to do? Anyone? Okay, it's fine. I'll tell you. So chatbots are basically computers program that behaves like a human is talking to you either by a voice or by messages. It allows humans to interact with digital devices as if they are talking to a real person. It is designed to work without the assistance of a human operator, and it responds to questions asked to it using a combination of predefined set of instructions fed into them. Examples are your Google Assistant in your mobile, Alexa, Siri are also virtual assistants or other kinds of chatbots who respond to your queries and answer your messages. Chatbots are widely used in almost all business industries nowadays. So now that you have got a small introduction and knowing about chatbots, let's move on to the types of chatbots. All right. So now let's take a look at types of chatbots according to their workings. There are three main types of chatbots. So the AI-based chatbots, rule-based chatbots, and hybrid. So first, let's take a look at AI-based chatbots. AI-based chatbots are as text chatbots and voice chatbots. And inshallah, next week on 2nd March 2024, Saturday, same time, we have our part 2 of chatbot building on Scratch workshop, in which we will build AI based voice recognition chatbot, which is smart chatbot also. So all of you must join me in this fun, easy learning journey next week too. And those who will attend today's and next week's workshop, that is part 1 and part 2 of chatbot building on Scratch, they will get Scratch recognition certificate. Now back to our topic. So rule-based chatbots are button-based and keyword recognition chatbots, which is today we are about to build. And hybrid chatbots are the combination of rule-based and AI-based chatbots. Fast forward to next slide now. Okay, so you want me to explain again? Okay, I will explain. Give me a second. It's fine. I will explain again. So, as I said earlier, there are three main types of chatbots: AI based chatbots, rule based chatbots, and hybrid. Okay, you want me अच्छा ओके, तो आप मुझे उर्दू में बात करवाना चाह रहे हैं, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। तो अभी हमारे तीन चैटबॉट के टाइप्स हैं। एक तो एआई बेस्ड चैटबॉट है, रूल बेस्ड चैटबॉट और हाइब्रिड। एआई बेस्ड चैटबॉट क्या होते हैं? वो होते हैं टेक्स्ट चैटबॉट जो आप टाइप करके देते हैं, और एक वॉइस होते हैं जो आपकी आवाज पहचान के आपको जवाब देते हैं, रिप्लाई देते हैं। ठीक है, और फिर रूल बेस्ड चैटबॉट्स ये क्या होते हैं? ये बटन बेस्ड होते हैं कि वो आपको ऑप्शंस देते हैं और आप इनमें से कोई एक बटन प्रेस करेंगे तो फिर वो बाकी रिप्लाई वगैरह करेगा। और जो हाइब्रिड है ये है इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन। तो अब समझ। ठीक है, शायद सब लोग को समझ आ गई होगी। लोग आगे मूव ऑन करते हैं। chatbot only because it's the basic chatbot, and today these chatbots work by same predefined rules and patterns. They follow a strict set of if-then statements or decision trees to give accurate response to a user's question. They are best as FAQ, means frequently asked questions chatbots due to their simplicity.
बाकी सबको
Okay, someone said in chat voice is not clear. Okay, so is बाकियों को मेरी आवाज आ रही है या सब लोग कोई सेम प्रॉब्लम हो रही है?
हेलो
जी, सब लोग को वॉइस क्लियर है मेरा?
जी यस
Okay, please give me 1 second. I will try to fix this problem. Okay, I have applied a new headphone. Now is my voice clear enough?
Yes.
Okay, Nida, can you please check your internet? Because a lot of people are saying that my voice is clear enough. Okay, so should I explain rule-based chatbots once again, since my voice wasn't clear in the last one? Okay, it's fine. I will explain again. Okay, so now we are discussing about rule-based chatbots only because it's the basic chatbot, and today we will learn to build it. So, rule-based chatbots work by same predefined rules and patterns. They follow a strict set of if then statements or decision trees to give the accurate response to a user's question. They are best as FAQ, means frequently asked questions chatbots, due to their simplicity. So hopefully now everyone has understood the why we are talking specifically about rule-based chatbots. Okay, so if you want, you can also see I have put some example pictures over here as instance. Okay, so I think everyone has understood. We will move on now. Okay, so here's the most fun and the main part of this whole workshop, the hands-on experience. So, as mentioned in WhatsApp group before, participants should go on Scratch and sign in there. So, I will be also signing in there with everyone else, and so all of you should do as well.
आवाज ही नहीं आ रही। बोला ना।
Okay, so is everyone on Scratch now? My voice is lagging. Is this the same problem for everyone? Okay, so now is everyone on Scratch with me? Okay, I guess I should move on now. So I want you once you are in here in this website of Scratch, I want you all to create this uh click this create button over here, and it should be something like this. Your new project will be created. That's a simple thing. So again, I'm asking, is everyone with me? Okay, so okay, Mohammed Arham, you're on mobile. Well, you cannot actually do it on mobile. But what you can do is you can watch my screen if you want. Okay, now I think everyone is with me. So the fun part has now begin. Okay, the first thing you can do is you can click on this choose a sprite button, and you can choose your custom sprite. There are thousands different kinds of sprites. You can choose any one kind. I will be choosing any one of my kind as well. Okay, so has everyone chosen their sprite? Okay, everyone is with me, I guess now. Okay, everyone has sprite. So now let's move on to the fun coding part. So these are different types of categories, and every one of them has their own unique features. For example, the motion category has all the movements of the sprite. The looks have the like text to speech and costumes, etc. The sound, events, etc. We will learn about them sooner or later. So the main block in Scratch is this block because when you click on this flag here, this block activates, and it is necessary to put it here. Otherwise, your code won't really work properly. So now let's start. Okay, so I want you all to go on sensing category. Here there are different kinds of sensors like mouse pointer, touching, etc. Here we want to drag this block. Ask what's your name. Now this block, what does it do? The sprite, we are coding on sprite, okay? So this sprite will ask us what is our name. And so we can also give answers. And we will be doing that. So if you want, you can also change the question. So I will be doing, you can give the bot another kind of text. For example, like hmm, how are you or something. And I will be doing my own. Okay, so I'm sorry if I didn't tell this before, and I accidentally tell you that to do it yourself. But I think I prefer you to look at my screen and do the coding because I will give you a homework task anyways, and there you can customize your own chatbot. So for now, you can look at my screen and you can also copy it. Okay, so also, is everyone with me? Okay, everyone else? Is everyone with me?
Yes.
Okay, so everyone is with me, I think. So we will move on now. So now we have done this two coding, which is when the flag is clicked, which means go. Then the sprite will ask, "Greetings, my name is FAQ chatbot. How can I help you?" Okay, and now we have to design the code that we have to we can have a space like an answer space so that we can type our answer or question and it will reply to us. So, for example, let's go over here. Okay, so I am changing the question a little, if that is okay. Okay, so I just changed a little bit of the question. I just coded him to ask that want to know about the next free workshop. So right now, let's click on go and see what it will do. So you see, it asked me this, and here's our answer space. Now, what we have to do, we have to code. We yes,
Miss,
you
can you
didn't.
repeat the last? Can you repeat the last task? Sorry, last question.
Last question. Oh no, I didn't say anything. I was just saying that right now you all can copy me and I will give you guys a small homework task anyways, so you can make your own custom chatbot.
Okay.
So right now you can all copy me.
Okay.
Okay, so is everyone with me? Okay, someone asked a question of how to delete a sprite. So I think will have your sprite here. So you see this little option? You can just click on it and your sprite will disappear. And you can also choose your new custom sprite. Okay, again asking everyone is with me. Okay, everyone is I think with me. So let's move on then. Okay, so how about we come to this? Everyone go to your control category and click this one. So this is the if else block, which gives you it's a conditional statement block that if the sprite will do this, then we will do this, and like we will code about it right now. So we will put it right here. Before the yes over here. So we want to give the condition that if the wait a second. Okay, yes. So first the robot will ask us that our information about the next free workshop, which is inshallah will be on 2nd March 2024. So we want to give the conditional statement that if we say yes, so the chatbot so this robot should tell us the information about it. And if we say no, then it should like say goodbye or something. So now let's get into it. I want you all to go on operators. Okay, yes. Most importantly, is everyone with me? Okay, let's continue then. Okay, so now that we have, hopefully everyone is on the operators category. And okay, so now we will be doing the conditional statement code over here, which is that we will first get this block. Can you see this, guys? The space is equals to 50. You can drag this block here, and after if there will be a small blank space over here, you can just drag it over here. Okay. And now for this blank space, we will do something interesting. And that will be that I want you all to go on sensing category. And over here, you will see this small tiny answer block. I want you all to click this, drag it over here, and place it in the empty space before is equals to sign in 50. Also, again, I'm asking, everyone is with me?
Yeah. I am the.
Yes.
What?
Okay, everyone is with me, I guess. Okay, so let's continue now. Now that we have placed our now that we have gone in here, now I want you all to click on this small 50 space, remove the 50 and write yes. So here we are giving the condition that if the user says yes, then it will say, the sprite will say, okay, so till now we have assigned that first it will ask us about the next, if we want to know about the next free workshop. And if we say yes, then it should say that the next free workshop is on Saturday, 2nd of March 2024. Okay? And we can also give the timer of how long it needs to say this. I will go with 4 seconds. You can all just do 5 or whatever seconds you want. And till now we are going to see how this output comes. Let's type in yes. You see, it gives the output. The next free workshop is on 2nd of March 2024. Okay, so now we're going to do else block. This empty little block over here. Now, for example, if we supposedly say that no, we don't want to know. So it should say then goodbye. So let's come here and put it over here. Okay, so now we said our if block is complete, which is that if we answer yes, we want to know the information about the next workshop. It should say that the next free workshop is on Saturday, 2nd of March 2024, and for about 4 seconds. Okay, and if supposedly we say no or no thanks or whatever, so it should say all right goodbye for supposedly 3 seconds. Now, okay, is everyone with me?
Yeah.
Okay, anyone else? Okay, I think that everyone is with me. Okay,
Yes.
all right, that's good to hear. Now, okay, so now I want you, since we have done it all till here, I want you all to press on the go flag. And here it will ask us the same thing. Now we will answer yes. Then it will give us information. Okay, so now let's click on flag again. And this time we supposedly say no. Let's see what it will it do. See? Since I said no and not yes, it said all right goodbye because that's what we gave it. If we said yes, then it will give us information. If we said no, then it will say all right goodbye. So now let's move on to the our next coding block, and that is okay. So now that it has given this information, we will go on sensing category. Everyone should be there and drag this block again. Ask what's your name and wait. And you should drag it below this information block and inside the if statement. Okay, I'm asking again. Is everyone with me? Okay, I supposedly think everyone is with me. Also, kindly everyone mute your mics. Okay, now let's move on to our next set. Now, what we want to do is it should ask us that want to know about the hmm, okay, let's supposedly ask that want to know about the timings. Okay, and it should wait after asking this question. And now let's code about what it should do next. So everyone should go on control and okay, also is everyone with me? Please type in chat or unmute your mics.
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. All right,
Yes.
let's. Okay, that's good. Okay, then let's continue. Now I want you all to again grab the if else statement block, okay, and place it under here. Okay, so now we want to give the condition that since this chatbot asked us about the timings, our answer should be yes or no. So our condition should be that if we answer yes, then it should tell us about the timings. And else if we answer no or no things or whatever instead of yes, then it should ask us something else. Okay? We will code about that. So I want you all to do the same. You can go on operator section and over here you can scroll down. Sorry, it's right here. The same block as we did in the above statement. The blank is equals to 50. Okay? And same as before, we'll go on sensing category and then we will click on answer and drag it into the blank space. And again, I'm asking, is everyone with me? I don't want anyone to be left behind. Is everyone with me?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to hear. Hopefully everyone is also with me. Okay, so as I said above here as well, that we said that if our answer is yes, that we want to know the information about the next workshop, it should answer this information. So we will do the same over here. So once it asks us about the timings, in here it is 50. Remove this and type yes. Okay, so now we have made a small incomplete condition that if our answer is yes, then the chatbot should say it should tell us about the timings. So capital text yes. Well, let's find out. Okay, so first real code and then let's see. Okay, that's a really good question actually. I haven't tried that one yet, so we will see what will happen if we type capital yes. Okay, so first let's code and let's insert the timings that the timings are from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, and you can choose your seconds of how long you want to make this go on. I'll be doing 4 as we did over here. Okay, so and now we'll go on the else block, which means that if we say no or no thanks, so it should where was I? Yes. Okay, so we'll go on sensing again, sensing category, and we will drag the same ask and wait block and place it in the else condition. So what we want to do that else if we say no or things, it should ask us any other queries. Okay, so now we have done two things. Number one is that once it asks us about the want to know about the next free workshop, we have put it if condition statement that if we say yes, it should give us the information, and if we say no, then it should say all right goodbye. Okay, and if we say yes, that it should after giving the information, it should ask about the timings. And again, if we say that yes, we want to know about the timings, it should give us the information about timings. And if we say no or no things, then it should give us this. It should question us there any other queries. Okay, so let's just okay. You know what? Wait a second. Let's just drag it out for a while. Okay, just for one thing. I want to test something. Okay. Okay, and also someone said that I should write yes in capital letters. So we will also be testing that. Yes. See, I have written in capital letters. Let's see what it will give the output. See, it doesn't matter if you type capital yes or small yes, it will give the same information. And now it asks us about want to know the timings. I will again write capital YES. Yes. The timings are from 1 to 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. And that's it. See, I hope that answers your question that what will happen when we type capital letters yes. It would take the same input because it's basically the same just in capital letters. So also I'm sorry if I'm going too fast. Is everyone with me?
Yes.
Okay. Also, did you try this experiment out of writing it yes in capital letters? Although if you didn't, it's fine. I don't. I was just asking. It's general question. Okay, so now we will place this block again in the else condition, and now let's click on go again. And Okay, how about this? I write the whole thing small because here in our if condition, the y, if you can see, is capitalized. So I will do the y small and the whole thing small. Okay. Now let's see what it will give us. Okay, see, no matter what type, what kind of uh, like uh like the capitalized text or small text, it will give us the same output. And we'll say yes. The timings are from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, so now let's make it go again, and now we will say no on this. Okay, we were saying yes for a lot of times. Now let's see what it will do when we say no. So let's continue. Yes. Okay. Now in the timings, I will be writing no, and I want to see what it will do. See, it asks for any other queries, and I will say no. See, right now we will don't worry, we will code a little more about any other queries. Okay, so again we'll go on control category, and we will get the same block if, and then actually wait, no, I want you all to pick this one. If then, and place it under this ask about any other queries. Okay, and same as usual, we will go on operators. Or if you want, let's do the small hack. We will duplicate this, okay? I want you all to right click. You see this duplicate? It should duplicate. See? It's more easier. So you can all do that. Okay. If the answer equals no, then it should say hmm, if the answer equals no, it should say, well, I am always here for your service. Service. Okay. So I'm explaining the code again. So we have till now we have first coded about it should ask us about the information if we want to know about the information of the next workshop. And we have put an if conditional statement block that if our answer will be yes, then it should give us information about the workshop. And if the answer is no, so you can see here we have put an else block here and it should say alright goodbye. And if you said yes, it should give us information and after this information, it should ask us want to know about the timings. And again, if we say yes, then it should tell us about the timings. And if we say no, it should ask us about any other queries. And again, if block, if our answer equals no, then well I'm here always here for your service. Okay? So now let's click go. Okay? Let's type yes. The information, the timings. The timings are from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. And okay, after here we will just do one more small coding and then our whole hands-on experience will be completed. So let's do it. So because over here after the timings it just stops because after it's in the if statement and it nothing's over here. So we will just code a little more and then our whole small we will be able to build a small basic chatbot. So let's do it. I'm not going to go too long because it's almost only 20 minutes are left, so that's why. Okay, so now we are going to go here. Sorry, we will go in sensing category. And again, as per usual, we will drag this and put it under here. Then it should ask us want, sorry, want to know about the age, age criteria. Okay, it should ask us this question after it tells us the information about timings. Okay, okay, and then again as per usual, control category, and here if, okay, and our usual step. You can duplicate as a shortcut and you can place it over there. Sorry. Back here. Okay. So what we want to do is that if after this chatbot asks us about the age criteria, and if we say yes, it should tell us about the age criteria. And if we say no, it should tell us that okay and bye bye. Okay. So let's do it. Okay, now let's go on. Wait. I want you all to change this no to yes, because then it will give us information about the age criteria. And so now let's go in looks. Again, we can just drag this text block over here and the information, the age criteria is from 8 to 15 years. Okay, and we also want to give how many seconds it should say it. Also, I just wanted to ask that everyone is with me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone else? Okay, Ira, if it is about the workshop, then I suggest you do it on the Q&A session. But if it is about the scratch, then I guess you can do it right now. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Also, if you have any questions related to the workshop or anything else, you can ask me in the Q&A section. And okay, so where were we? Yes, we were in the age criteria. We have already given our if statement that if we say yes, it should tell us about the age criteria information that it is from 88 to 15 years and etc. Okay, and now we want to, if we say no, that we don't want to know about the age criteria. Wait a second. Also, we will put the coding in the group. And Ira, are you asking about that in this in the else here? Ask any other queries. And if the users answer yes, so what should happen? Honestly speaking, it's kind of custom made. You can do anything, but right now since this is a workshop, I'm not going too deep in it. So yeah. But don't worry, I will give you a small homework assignment and you can make your own custom built made chatbot. And there you can also uh, do the if statement that if the user answers no, then do this. If the users answer yes, then do this. So I'm not going too deep. That's why I didn't really do something in here. But if you want, you can also you can make it custom made after I give you a small homework assignment. And yep. Okay, so where were we again? And hopefully that answers your question, Ira.
Age criteria. We were on age criteria.
Yes, thank you so much. And yep, age criteria. And then we want to go on else. And if we say no, then it should hmm yes. All right. Goodbye. Okay. So now we have done our full hands-on experience, basic chatbot coding. And don't worry, you can explore more about this. And for now, since this is a workshop, that's why I'm not going too deep. And so let's click on go. Let's answer yes. The next free workshop is on Saturday, 2nd of March 2024. Timings, yes. Timings are from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Want to know about the age criteria? We will say yes. The age criteria is from 8 to 15 years. Okay. And then we will say mm, just one last thing. Anyways, mm, oh, mm, with me, see you next time. And so that is our full hands-on experience coding. And I'll be now taking go on it. You will say yes. The next free workshop is on Saturday, 2nd of March 2024. Want to know about the timings? Yes. The timings are from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Age criteria? Yes. The age criteria is from 8 to 15 years. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed talking with me. See you next time. And that is our full hands on experience. And so, I hope you all enjoyed. And now it's a small homework task, a practice task, which I was talking about, custom made. So, I'm going to share this link on WhatsApp, and all of you can go here. It's a YouTube tutorial. And so, watch this video tutorial of basic simple chatbot and make your own chatbot with customized FAQs, frequently asked questions, and submit your screenshot of coding on WhatsApp group and get the UTech certificate of appreciation. So, yep, this is your task. You can just write it somewhere. on a
Then
notepad or yes.
you will send the video link on WhatsApp group.
Yes, I will. And I will also be sending today's coding picture. So if anyone has been left behind, so please don't worry. We will send the coding picture in the group. And yes, I'm still. That's why I was saying that I will show the I will send the coding picture in WhatsApp. And so that's a small homework task. Hopefully that is okay with everyone else. Okay, so now these are two resources, and I will be only sharing to those people who fill the form. Okay, so this is kind of secret. And that brings us to the end of our workshop. Thank you all for attending this. And now you can ask any questions. Do you have any questions in related to this workshop?
No.
Okay, anyone else? Any kind of question?
No.
Okay, no questions. You can also type in chat if you want.
I like your workshop.
Okay, so since everyone is pretty much clear with everything, so can everyone show me a thumbs up? All right, I'm super glad it is clear for you. And don't worry if you later on if you have any again other questions, we will still be having our WhatsApp group and you can message me over there. So I guess that is all for today's class. Thank you so much for attending my workshop. I'm really glad to have you all over here and inshallah there will be part 2 and you should attend that also so that you can get a certificate. Okay? So thank you again everyone and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज
Allah Hafiz.
मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ